Hello everyone. I just worked out, but I'm so excited because I want to show you what I recently bought. So let us see. So let's open this and I'll share to you what I bought recently. Exciting. This is so exciting. Okay. All right. So keep your receipts. Okay. Just keep your receipts to make sure that you have everything here in your box. This is really heavy because can you see that? There's so many. Okay. All right. So this is what I bought recently. It's an Atomy fabric detergent. Okay. This is a gift I'm going to give to someone very special to me. I don't use this at home because I don't have a washing machine anymore because I live in a condo. But I used this before when I used to live in a house, and this is really would save a lot of your money because it is so matipid. You really need to use only very little. Now I want you to see this. Can you see the scooper? Okay, that's a very small scoop. And that scoop is already good for about 7 kilos. That's what I know. So this will go a long way. And it has a very nice scent. It's pine scent, so it's very mild. So your clothes don't have that strong smell that sometimes would cause your allergies. So this will save you a lot of money. And not only that, I've also tried using this, soaking some of my clothes, and I tell you, it cleans it just like that. And the stains are also removed. Now this one are the lotion. My husband wants to bring this to his other place. So I bought the lotion. Again, this is good for weather that is warm because it's not sticky, but it works, okay? Now, I have a lot of this, so I'm really stocking up on the dish liquid. Dish liquid is used for washing your dishes and also disinfecting your vegetables and your fruits. So it has a lot of other uses. Okay, it has calamansi, so it removes the bacteria. Now, I have the dish detergent container. I just want it because I'm also using the hand soap in my kitchen. So it's just to be able to distinguish which one is the hand soap and which one is for the dish detergent. So this is how it looks. It's very cheap. So I really like putting things where they really belong. So it's very easy to know what you're using. And I also bought, again, Herbal shampoo and Herbal conditioner. This is what I always use for my hair, and I've been using it for the longest time because it works. See my hair? I didn't shampoo this. I just came from exercise, but it still has the volume. And thanks to Atomy's Herbal shampoo and conditioner. They're very, very good. They're all natural, and they also help clean your scalp and your hair, plus at the same time, they take care of your hair so that it grows. I have friends whose hair are growing just using this. They're not even using tonic or whatsoever, but that's how it works. Okay, now this one, again, I use this because I have last 2 boxes. I take 2 at a time because Atomy HemoHIM came up with another promo. And this one, if you buy 3, you get +1. Am I right? Okay. You buy 3, you get +1. It's normally you buy 4 and you get +1. So this one comes out cheaper to get the +1. Remember, this is 5,100 pesos per box, and it's very good for your immune system. So that's box 1. This is box number 2. Okay, this is box number 3. Oh my goodness, it's really heavy. And this is box number 4. Right? So there goes my HemoHIM promo. Always make sure you avail of the promo because you will save a lot of money. And I don't know, Atomy is coming up with a lot of promotions these days, and I'm just so happy. I don't stock up so much, but since I only have the last two, I thought of stocking up because my husband is also using the same thing. This is a very good immune booster. And since I had a cancer scare twice in my life, this actually helps give me peace of mind that I'm doing something for my health, so I won't be immune compromised. So let me know what's the latest promotion you are crazy about. Okay, so I'll come back to you again.